What's going on, guys? We're back. Now I'm going to do an updated walk around on all the mods and shit and bits and pieces I've done to my Dyna. So check it out. So it's been a few months since I did that first walk around video showing all the mods that I've currently done to this baby right here, my 2016 Dyna FXDWG, if you don't speak Harley talk, Dyna Wideglide. So we're going to go pull up at the old graffiti wall, so you got a bit of a cool background to look at. And I'll run through the mods from top to bottom, give you an idea of where we're at now, because I'm pretty much finished as far as modifications are concerned with this bike. Well, for now anyway, you're never really finished. Righto, let's fast forward to the graffiti wall.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Alright, here we are. Nice and quiet on a Saturday morning, that's the way I like it. So here she is, guys, 2016 Dyna Wideglide FXDWG. From the ground up, we've still got standard wheels and tyres, Harley Scorchers or Michelin, whatever you want to call them. On your way up, foot pegs. We got the mini floorboards and just the genuine Harley brake and gear shifters with the flames on them. Get them from any HD dealer or Drag Industries, I think. Sell very similar ones. Vance and Hines short shot pipes. That's the genuine HD oil temp thing, so nothing special there. Got the rear foot pegs removed only because I got some other ones coming from DK Customs. Moving up, Legend air ride suspension. So bit of a demo here for you. So that's the air completely dumped out. And it looks fucking cool. So, standard suspension on the front. Haven't done anything with that yet. What else have we got here? I've changed the rear fender to the American one, because the Aussie one has that big ugly brake light on it, so we got that changed. Genuine HD aftermarket LED indicators. I'll see if I can find all these eBay links so I can flash it up on the screen for you. Standard HD swing away license plate holder, that's a genuine product. These are your magnets to clip on the detachable sissy bar. Goes on there. JD derby cover and timing cover around the other side. That's the horn cover I've had on all my Harleys. Keep swapping that bad boy over. Alright, DK Customs remote mount oil filter. That makes changing the oil very easy, obviously, but also cools the temp down by a little bit, catching a bit of wind up here, so that's another thing. This is not 103, it's actually a 110 now, and it's got a stage 5 kit in it, which was done by Sun City Harley here in Townsville. It's pumping out 108 horsepower at the wheel and 123 foot-pound of torque, I think. And yeah, and that's running short shot pipes, so we could do better with the 2-in-1. Standard brakes, front and rear. Moving up, 2.5-inch tank lift. Rifle Roadster fairing. Daymaker knockoff, just off eBay. Drag Specialties grips, just some levers off eBay as well. Same with the mirrors. They're the Grim Reaper scythe or Seath, however you say that. That is a Danny Gray butt crack seat with the gel. Definitely worth getting the gel, guys, if you're going to do that. Moving up, this was chrome, I just painted it black. Flush mount, fuel cap and gauge. That's pretty cool. We like to call it the smiley face because when you're full of fuel, it's a semicircle. Same with the Dakota Digital dash too. That's awesome. The bars, 8-inch rise Santee T-bars. And I do have 1.5-inch spacers through there from LA Choppers. What else have we got? I have wired, that's my battery tender thing. I just wired it in, tuck it in there out of the way. So you don't have to pull any covers off to get to your tender to plug it in. USB chargy doobie thing in there for your long rides. You can have your phone going. The little bar bag is just one off eBay as well. It's like 11 bucks. Okay, so part of the stage 5 kit was the bigger throttle body, so that's why I've got the bigger intake, which you could generally only get them on the later model fly-by-wire jobs if you go by the catalogue. What else have we got? R&S oil pressure gauge, which is this one here. I love that thing, looks very cool. If there's anything you've seen that I've missed, put it in the comments and I'll get back to you. But I'm pretty sure that is it. Alright guys, well that's where I'm at now with the Dyna. I don't know, I'm going to have to do 2-in-1 exhaust, I think, just to see what we can get out of her on the dyno. But yeah, front suspension, and wheels. There you go. There's another 6-7 grand. You're never really done with these things. Alright, let's give you a little sound test too. Alright, there you go guys, that's an updated look at her. Better get going, the beer fridge is calling me, so don't want to keep it waiting. Regulars to the channel know I'm a bit of a fan of a cold beer on a hot day. Alright guys, give us a big like and don't forget to headbutt the subscribe button. You know you want to. So we just went for a ride over to the post office because the new seat arrived and I didn't have a backpack or anything, so I put it on and just decided to stuff the old one down in between the fairing and the bars to get it back. So I can still sort of see, it's cool. We don't have far to ride. Things you do when you get presents. Alright guys, I'm out of here. Hope you liked it and I'll catch you next time. See ya!